All right, ladies and gentlemen, programmers, we're going to do part 1B of the piano project. Okay, so the hope is that you spent some time and you figured out the problem and the pseudocode. The problem was that our sound was playing over and over again. Our images were changing all the time, right? And so get out your notes, and before you continue on, make sure you finish the problem and the pseudocode, because we're going to turn that pseudocode into real Java code. And so here's the deal. Remember, there's two times that we want to do stuff. If is down is false, the key looks like this. Somebody's pressing the G key. We want to switch to the down image and play the sound. And if is down is true, the image looks like this, and nobody's pressing the G key, then we switch it up, switch to the G key. Now, here that's pretty much the pseudocode, right? So this, we want to do something, don't want to do anything, don't want to do anything, right? So there's two situations where we don't do anything. Now, so hopefully what you figured out is we need to keep track of if is down is true or false, right? So that we're going to make a Boolean instance variable called is down. But at any rate, so if hopefully that helps you figure out that pseudocode if you didn't already figure it out. Okay, so here, if you didn't get anything, so here is my version of the pseudocode. So right, if you didn't get anything intelligent, then you can copy this into your pseudocode. If the piano key is not currently down and the keyboard key is G is down, change the image to show the down image, play the sound. Now here's a key part. Remember that the piano key is down now, right? So, oh yeah, we'll keep it, now the key's down. Hey, if the piano key is currently down and the keyboard key is not down, switch it to the up image, and then remember that the piano key is not down anymore, okay? So that's where this would represents our Boolean instance variable is down, okay? So write that down if you need to. All right, in your notes, and let's finish up. I don't know why this thing is doing that. That's slightly annoying. Okay, I made it bigger so that you could see it. If you needed it to be bigger, same thing. Okay, so the solution with the pseudocode is we need to add a Boolean instance variable, which is also known as a field, that keeps track of if the piano key is currently down or not. It's also called a flag. So it's a Boolean instance variable or a field. It's called a flag. So, oh yeah, look, our key looks like this. Is down is going to be false. And then as soon as the key goes down, we switch our instance variable is down to true. Okay, so we're not going to write this code yet, but eventually we will. Private Boolean is down. That's how we keep track of if the key is down or not. And then in the constructor, you're going to initialize it. So we're going to declare our instance variable, private Boolean is down. Then we're going to initialize it in the constructor is down equals false. And then we will store true in this instance variable while the piano key is down and false while it isn't. Okay, so that's part of the solution. We're going to write this new code later, though, so don't do it yet. All right, here's the quiz. I'm going to quiz you on this. If you didn't already write this down, what happens on 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, answer those questions in your notes. So same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what is a Boolean flag? If you don't know, ask me. How many different possibilities are there with two variables? Okay, so we have two variables, is down and the G key. How many possibilities do we have? Duh. Okay, and how many conditions do we have to meet on this? And then how many on this one? How many conditions do we have to meet? Oh, have to be met. Okay. Of the 4 possible situations above, how many times do we actually do something? How many times do we actually do nothing? Answer those questions. If you don't know the answer, let me know. All right, that's it for 1B, and we're going to go on to part 2.